Assalamu alaikum. My name is Safir Umayyo. I'm from Bahria University. I'm in batch 15 of the interns program. I'm here to present my WordPress e-commerce project. It is a website based on a perfume store. In this perfume store, customers can basically log in and then they can browse through various perfume products that are for sale. They can then choose from those perfume products the perfume that they want to buy. And then they can add that perfume product into their cart and then they can check out the cart. So I'll begin with stating the basic components of the website. The website consists of 6 pages. This is the home page. This is the basic landing page that the customers would land into when they start the website. Over here you can see the perfume products here, and the home page is full of the trending perfume products that are for sale. These are the customer reviews and the featured brands of the perfume products. So that was the home page. Now I would show you the About Us section of the website, and basically the About Us section states that what states about the website, what the website is about. This is just giving a basic overview on what the website is about, and the number of products and the number of product categories. Now onto the contact section of the website. Contact section is full of contact information. The email, the address and the phone number of the admin is given here, so that if the customers would have any queries about the products that are in the website, then they can get in touch with the admin from here. And now onto the product section, we have the products lined up, and if the customer would want to browse through various products, then he could do so with the product section. So these are the products that are available to be purchased from the website. Now if I would want to purchase this particular product, then I could click on it. Then I can basically add this product to my cart so that I can buy it. As the product is now added to my cart, I can now view my cart so that I can check it out. I can proceed to checkout. Then I can place the order so that the order will be placed. I would have to input my details there, but as I'm logged in, I wouldn't have to do that. After doing this, a receipt will be generated based on the order details, the billing address of the customer and everything. Now I would show you the back end of the project and the admin panel basically. So over here, if we go to WooCommerce orders, we can see how the admin would manage the orders. So these are basically the orders that the customers have made. I just made an order 2 minutes ago. Now the admin can check out what he wants to do with the orders. He can change the status of these orders to processing, or to on hold, or to completed, or he can move the orders to trash, and then you can delete the orders permanently. So this is the admin back end of the website, and the admin can as well manage the customers and the reports of the website from here, from the WooCommerce admin panel. So that was the website, and I hope you all enjoyed it.